Hello everybody, this is Edgar Eddie Fernandez, the founder of Sufficient Limited and the creator of the Experiential Knowledge Solution program. So on this video I want to share with you why you need to use Kaizen Blitz or perform Kaizen Blitz on the quality assurance area to avoid forms 483. Well, first is because it's going to allow you to start implementing the culture of innovation and also of the culture of prevention as well and identification. So actually, this Kaizen Blitz methodology from lean manufacturing has been used in businesses to increase productivity. However, because the tool is so effective and it's so easy to use, actually, it has been taken outside of environments such as, for example, safety, and, compliance, and why not quality assurance. Like I said in the previous videos, one of the things that now we need to take in account to avoid or to identify non-conformance scenarios in the future to avoid forms 483 from the FDA. It's a component of the human behavior, or the component of that now employees are they're a critical part of this process. So what the Kaizen Blitz does, but actually the Kaizen in Japanese, it's improvement. So actually the thing that you're gonna do is not an audit. That's something that I want to mention. It's not an audit, and what the audits does is the audits, you're gonna compare what is your current state of your quality assurance systems against or versus standards, codes, and regulations. That's the only the audit does. Kaizen Blitz actually helps to improve, to identify, like I said. So one of the key actually Kaizen Blitz, they have 5 elements. One is a teamwork, the another is a personal discipline, improved morale, and quality circles and suggestions for improvement. So like I said on my previous video yesterday, why you need to perform Kaizen Blitz and it should be part of your action plan to identify the scenarios of no conformances. So why? Like I said, first, because one of the elements is teamwork. So one of the reasons why actually companies are getting more and more form 483 is not because of the technical knowledge. At the end, those violations reflect the technical knowledge, but you go deeper and deeper and start analyzing and finding root causes of this problem is relationships between QA and other departments, and mainly not having the relationships, not only QA, other departments as well, with the employees or the workers on the floor as well, that they face every day, day by day, those problems. So they can tell you actually the ideas that they have according to their experiences and skills, and you can take them and form teams to actually blitz, for example, your change management or your change management control, for example, and how that process is gonna or can how this process can be better in the future to control changes better, identify changes at the time that they are gonna be made, and go to the process and to avoid those forms. The same for procedures, the same for master batch records. So you can blitz those ones, your current states, and how can be better to avoid those forms 483. Thank you very much, guys. Hopefully this video helps you to avoid these forms 483 in the future and improve your quality, your non-conformance scenario assessments and identification as well. Let me know your comments on the comment section, and again, let me know also what other topics you want me to talk to regarding on this quality assurance, Form 483, FDA, or safety as well. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day. Your friend Edgar Fernandez. Bye.